is Chrissy Banks with the Carlisle and Finch Company, and I'm here today with Frank Donzi, and he is going to explain a little bit about what we have here with this train set and the history of it.
So this is a Carlisle and Finch layout that was built in 1905 in Santa Clara, California, by a gentleman named Eldridge Russell. And him and his father built the layout, and the layout was in that home till the 1980s when Eldridge passed away. Eldridge befriended a person by the name of Fitz, and Eldridge's wife gave the layout to Fitz. Fitz saved the layout, mounted it on 3 sheets of plywood, and had it for 20 plus years. He then sold it to a gentleman named Russell McFall, who then also owned it for 20 plus years. And Russell very much wanted this layout to stay intact and not be dismantled, so he contacted us and wanted to know if we were interested, and of course we were very interested. And over about a little bit over a year, working out the details, we now have the layout. I am in the process of putting it back together after getting it here. It came with a couple bridges, some tunnels, a station, and a mining set that runs. This will be operational once I am finished, and it is documented to be the oldest continually operating layout in the country.
And why is it so important for Carlisle and Finch?
It's the history. It's the history of Carlisle and Finch. Carlisle and Finch, along with making searchlights, also was the first electric toy train manufacturer in the country, starting in 1894. So to have an operational layout of this magnitude is it's our history.
So I know you have some pictures from the original owner's home. Would you be willing to share those?
Yes. So this is the original layout, as in the attic. Along with the Carlisle and Finch layout that you see, he also had another manufacturer called Volt Amp, which was the same size trains, and then he also had a post-war Lionel layout. Those 2 layouts didn't survive. This is the only one that did. That's the attic, and that's the house in Santa Clara that the layout was in.
Okay.
This is Eldridge Russell and Fitz prior to Eldridge's passing. That's them up in the attic playing with the toy trains.
You don't happen to have an approximate date on that, do you?
I would say probably early 80s.
Okay. Well, we sure appreciate it, Frank. Thank you.